Ctrl plus Shift plus N launches the default browser with the text on the clipboard as the URL. I don't know why this happens, but when I want to create a new folder, Win7, I press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. It used to work before, but now, the shortcut seems to have been overridden. It launches the default browser with the text on the clipboard as the URL. How do I fix this? Edit. Fixed it. I noticed that clip was assigning a hotkey.
I had the exact same problem. Ctrl plus Shift plus N should create a new folder, but instead was opening a browser and pasting the clipboard. I realized it was being used by Clips for navigation. Clips is a clipboard history application. You can right-click the Clips icon in the tray and choose Configure. In the resulting window you can change the shortcut key association.
Use Active Hotkeys application, which will show you the current active hotkeys.
Check to ensure you don't have any software installed that may be overriding the hotkey, such as AutoHotkey.